Hello 18! Good news na naman tayo with SB19 sa The New You Video Music Awards 2026. Ang The New You ay originated sa Pilipinas at ito ay nabuo May 2020 to celebrate OPM, Original Filipino Music. At heto nga, good news, nominated ang ating SB19. May 4 na nominasyon ang ating mahalima. Una, EP of the Year, Simula at Wakas SB19. Susunod, ang music video na Dongka, nominated Best Music Video of the Year. Next, Concert of the Year, ang Simula at Wakas World Tour Kick-Off Concert ng ating The King of P-Pop SB19. Ang susunod, next nomination, P-Pop Artist of the Year. Of course, nominated ang ating mahalima SB19, The King of P-Pop. Paano bumoto? Narito. Bumisita na sa vma.thenewuph.com. Ang start ng butuhan, April 20 to May 31 this year. Kaya naman bumoto na.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to